Happy Saturday, everybody. Meteorologist Hunter Forrest here. We are tracking the tropics with Tropical Storm Chantal, which formed earlier today. It is now a weaker tropical storm. Winds are at about 45 miles per hour. It's a rather lopsided system. The center of circulation is about 95 miles off the coast of Charleston right now, and the center circulation is right around here, and the bulk of the convection is off towards the north and the east compared to being, wrapped around the center of circulation like it would if it was more of a major system. But right now, Tropical Storm Chantal, as of the 5 o'clock advisory, is a weaker tropical storm, winds at about 45 miles per hour. It has picked up forward speed. Earlier this morning and into the early afternoon, it was moving very slowly at about 1 to 2 miles per hour. Right now, it's moving a little bit faster towards the north at about 7 miles per hour. Expected to make landfall late tonight into early tomorrow morning, right around Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, with winds at about 50 miles per hour. So it could strengthen a little bit over the next couple of hours, but it's running out of real estate here. It's going to be running out of that warm water that it needs to strengthen once it makes landfall, and then it'll continue to weaken heading into Sunday afternoon and then turning back into a remnant low by the time we get into early Monday. We are seeing some tropical storm warnings up from Wilmington down into Myrtle Beach with a tropical storm watch, including Charleston, South Carolina. The bulk of the severe weather is actually going to stay down towards the south of Norfolk to the south of Raleigh, right around Wilmington, including just northeastern portions of South Carolina and south portions of North Carolina. That tornado threat in the similar area down towards the south of Raleigh, including Wilmington, right around the Myrtle Beach area as well. But that doesn't mean areas, in eastern North Carolina and around Hampton Roads can't see some embedded spin with some of these bands moving through the area. Just that bigger risk is down towards the south. Now, in terms of the flooding potential for the rest of the day today and into tonight, a level 2 threat for Wilmington and portions of Charleston up towards Myrtle Beach. And for the day tomorrow, that flooding threat a little bit higher around Raleigh, just to the east of Charlotte, and a level 1 threat for that flooding potential for Hampton Roads in eastern North Carolina, including the Outer Banks as well. So not a major flood threat for the day tomorrow. That's the good news, but could see some ponding out there on the roadways. In terms of futurecast rainfall, anywhere from, 2 to 4 inches around some of these areas, 1 to 2, depends on where that heaviest of rainfall ends up. But right around Raleigh could see 1 to 2 inches. Up to a half an inch around Greenville, and up to a half an inch to an inch in areas around Hampton Roads. Could see wind gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour as it makes landfall here early Sunday morning. Around 30 mile per hour gusts in Wilmington, 34 in Myrtle Beach. And same deal getting up into North Carolina, 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts as it continues to push off towards the north and east, 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts around here in the Hampton Roads area before it gets swooped away by another system pushing through. So again, we'll see that making landfall early Sunday morning. Those outer bands getting up into the Hampton Roads area early Sunday morning. 9, 10 o'clock, could see some showers pushing through. By the time we get into the early afternoon, could see some heavy downpours, some embedded spin, isolated spin up tornado, not out of the question, but that risk is low. But it's not going to be a washout by any means. Isolated showers Sunday night, getting into early Monday morning. But some of us may not even see those as we get into the second half of our Sunday. We'll see more showers and storms pushing through heading into Monday afternoon. Again, not a washout, but some showers and storms are possible. We clear out by Monday night. Things are looking great getting into Tuesday morning. And even by Tuesday afternoon, it's going to be hot. Sunny skies, temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s. But let's take a look here, a closer look at the Hampton Roads area in terms of the impacts from Chantal. Scattered showers and storms are possible getting into late Sunday morning. So you'll notice 10 o'clock, some showers getting into eastern North Carolina. Those lingering into the early afternoon. Any of these, cells here could have the potential to have a spin-up tornado. It's a low threat. Gusty winds, 20 to 30 miles per hour. And then things are looking good heading into Monday morning. A few isolated showers, looking like that rain chance increases a bit late morning into the early afternoon. A few lingering into Monday evening. And then we're looking great as we head into our Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. Again, that severe threat for the Hampton Roads area down towards our south. The Storm Prediction Center only issuing a 2% risk for areas down in North Carolina, and we're not even in any of that risk. So that's the good news, but it's not, a 0% chance that we could see a tornado. So that's just something you want to keep in mind. It is just a low chance, but when you have these decaying tropical systems and these bands moving across the area, you could get a spin up. So that's just something you want to keep in mind. Again, that flood potential is low for most of the area, and we could see anywhere from a ½ an inch to an inch in a few areas, maybe locally higher amounts if you get under a heavier downpour, again, for a longer period of time. Winds throughout the day on Sunday, 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts, maybe a few higher gusts in a few areas, but overall not expecting anything major. Sunday evening, 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts, and we'll see those calming down a bit Monday morning before they pick up a little bit Monday afternoon with gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour. So here are the takeaways for Chantal. Not expecting major impacts, scattered showers and storms, some heavy downpours are possible, isolated spin-up tornado, but again, that is a very low threat. And of course, the hurricane season is just starting to ramp up. The peak of the season is in September, and then it ends November 30th. So it starts to wind down as we get towards October and into November. So we still have months left of the hurricane season. And of course, we'll continue to keep you updated here at 13 News Now.